is intellectual property? Like how do you know if you have it?
Hmm.
I think a lot of people don't like realize what they have as intellectual property. And then I know there's different ways you can protect it, from patents, copyrights, all of those things. But if you could just kind of define an intellectual property for me, that'd be really great.
Absolutely. I'm so glad that you asked this because a lot of times we can breeze past really, really important things. And as we talk about the aspect of get money and how a doctor can be in practice or even transitioning from practice, but still not have to completely give up everything that they did traditionally because they may over time have created something that is novel and useful and not immediately obvious. Maybe you have created or developed a method or a process or some type of thing that is unique to your particular practice that no one else has done before. Now, in
Hmm.
order to move forward, you would want to file for patent protection, which means you would have the right to exclude others from developing it. Maybe you don't even know how to build it, but at least you can work with others to either build it or not for a limited period of time, and usually from the time of invention to the time of the expiration of a patent, which is federal protection that says you have the exclusive right to develop this or
Hmm.
to license others to do so. And so licensing or participating in patent pools where you come together with others who have invented in the same space, and maybe there's a, think about drug protection, for example. It's the reason that you can have a protected type of medication, and then after a certain year, at a certain number of years, you can have a generic version of that. And that's just one of many examples in the medical field that you can see, or medical device or something else. That is separate and distinct protection from protecting creativity. So something that is written, recording, artistic, even something that might be visual art or performative art. That is what we say, you created it with the mind. That's where the intellectual aspect of it, it's still personal property, but it's intangible.